In this tutorial, we will go over how to make payments online. The most convenient and secure method to pay for your tuition and fees is with a credit card through your Passport Student Center. After you make the payment, it only takes about 1 hour for the funds to get posted to your student account. To get started, let's log into your Passport Student Center by visiting pa.peralta.edu. After you have registered for your courses, they will appear under your current semester schedule on the top of the page. Under the Finances section, you will see your account summary and your outstanding balance. To begin with our payment process, please click Make a Payment. Here you will see the breakdown of your outstanding balance. If you have any questions about these fees, you can refer to the Tuition and Fees page on our International Student website, which can explain these fees further. Please note that tuition and fees are due 2 weeks prior to the first day of class. Under the payment amount, enter the specific amount to the charge item that you want your payment to be applied to. The payment amount should match the outstanding charges in each line unless you need to make a partial payment. Once you click the Calculate Grand Total button, it will add up the total amount that you are making for this payment. When you are done, click Next. Under the drop-down menu, select Credit Card for your payment method and click Next. Confirm your payment and click Continue to make payment. You will enter your credit card information in this section and click Continue. If you have trouble loading this page, or if the page reroutes you to another website, please switch to another web browser, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and clear your cache within your browser settings, then try again. Here, you will enter your credit card billing information and click Continue. Verify your payment and credit card information is correct, then click Continue. Click Submit to submit your payment request. Great job! You have successfully made your payment. If you need to make a second payment with a different credit card, you can do so now by clicking Make Another Payment. Otherwise, you are all done. If you wish to pay by cash, check, or money order, you will need to make the payment through your college's cashier's office. To pay by international bank wire, please contact the Office of International Education for further instructions. However, keep in mind that wire payments are not instant and can take about a week to process. Overall, the fastest and most secure way to pay for your tuition fees is with your credit card. Thank you for watching How to Make Payments Online.